Hey guys, and welcome back to JD Mods. Today we're going to show you a little hack we used on my 2002 Toyota Mark II Blit. If you own a JZX110 chassis car, then you'll know that as soon as you try to install an aftermarket stereo and you unplug the factory one, an error comes up on the screen, and it's just a bunch of Japanese writing, and I don't speak Japanese, so I don't know what it says, but basically it stops you from being able to use your air conditioning because the two are kind of tied together. And I remember someone trying to sell me a $600 kit to avoid this so I could install a stereo, and I thought there's got to be a different way. So Kyle and I did figure out a different way to do it that's virtually free, and we're going to show you today. Kyle's going to start taking it apart for us here while I do the filming. You can see I have a double din trim piece for this car. I actually just got that on eBay. I want to say it was like $40 or something. And it's actually pretty decent quality. It fits pretty well. So this is the plug that when you unhook it from the factory stereo causes you some issues. So basically what we're doing is convincing it pretty much that it's still plugged in by using a resistor. I'll show you which wires we're connecting in a second here. But that has an 80 ohm resistor, and I think any 60 to 120 ohm resistor will probably work. You just jam it in there pretty much. And it is plugged into the blue and pink wire and then the blue wire. Just like that. And that is literally how simple it is to fix this problem. While we're in here, I'll mention that wiring up Toyota stereos is pretty much the same across all Toyotas, which is really convenient because I couldn't find a wiring diagram for this car. They're pretty rare, and any diagrams you do find are, again, in Japanese, which I do not read Japanese. So I will link below the diagrams we use. So basically, there's a couple differences over the years, but generally there's lengths of time where they're the exact same, and we just followed the instructions, wired it up. Super simple. I want to say it took like 20 minutes, and now I finally have a stereo. So that is how you install the aftermarket double din in a JZX110. I know this video was highly specific and not particularly interesting if you don't own one, but I hope that it helps some people. Kyle has a lot going on with the MR2, so you'll have that to look forward to. It's a bit more exciting than this. But as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.